Redmond homeowners know that the Pacific Northwest climate can be tough on exterior home features. Frequent rain, persistent moisture, cool temperatures, and seasonal changes place extra demands on patio doors. Choosing the right low-maintenance patio door materials is essential for long-term performance, comfort, and peace of mind. The good news is that modern patio door options are designed to withstand Redmond's conditions while minimizing upkeep. Here's a look at the best low-maintenance patio door materials that hold up beautifully against moisture and cold. Vinyl patio doors. A top choice for moisture resistance. Vinyl patio doors are one of the most popular options for Redmond homes, thanks to their natural resistance to moisture and low upkeep requirements. Key benefits include no rot, rust, or corrosion resistance to warping caused by moisture, no need for painting or refinishing. Vinyl frames maintain their shape and performance even during long, wet seasons, making them ideal for Redmond's climate. Fiberglass patio doors. Strength without the maintenance. Fiberglass patio doors offer exceptional durability and stability, especially in environments with temperature fluctuations and moisture exposure. Why homeowners choose fiberglass? Extremely resistant to expansion and contraction, won't absorb moisture or swell, maintains tight seals during cold weather. Fiberglass doors often mimic the appearance of wood while delivering far greater durability and lower maintenance. Aluminum-clad patio doors. Exterior protection where it matters. Aluminum-clad patio doors combine a durable aluminum exterior with an insulated interior core, offering protection against Redmond's wet conditions. Advantages include strong resistance to moisture and exterior wear, durable finishes that won't peel or fade easily, added protection against rain and humidity when designed with thermal breaks. Aluminum-clad doors also maintain strong energy efficiency. Composite materials. Engineered for long-term performance. Composite patio door materials blend wood fibers with synthetic components to create a highly durable, low-maintenance option. Benefits of composite doors. Resistant to moisture, rot, and decay, stable during cold and damp conditions, minimal upkeep compared to traditional wood. Composite materials offer a balance of strength, insulation, and long-term reliability. Energy-efficient glass enhances durability and comfort. Frame material matters, but glass plays a major role in performance as well. Modern patio doors use advanced glass technology that supports comfort while reducing maintenance concerns. Energy-efficient glass features include double or triple pane construction, low-E coatings to reduce heat loss, tight seals that prevent condensation buildup. These features help keep Redmond homes warmer in winter while reducing moisture-related issues. Low-maintenance hardware and track systems. Patio door performance also depends on hardware quality. Modern low-maintenance patio doors include corrosion-resistant tracks and rollers designed for smooth operation. Homeowners benefit from stainless steel or coated hardware, smooth gliding even in damp conditions, reduced need for frequent adjustments. Quality hardware extends the lifespan of the door and reduces upkeep. Resistance to mold and mildew. Moist environments can encourage mold and mildew growth on certain materials. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite patio doors resist moisture absorption, helping prevent these issues. This contributes to better indoor air quality, cleaner door surfaces, less frequent cleaning. Low-maintenance materials support healthier living spaces. Professional installation protects against moisture intrusion. Even the best materials require proper installation to perform well in Redmond's climate. Professional installation ensures proper flashing and sealing, correct alignment to prevent leaks, secure anchoring against wind and rain. Installation quality directly impacts long-term durability and maintenance needs. Long-term savings through reduced maintenance. Low-maintenance patio door materials save money over time by reducing repair, repainting, and replacement costs. Homeowners enjoy fewer maintenance tasks, longer door lifespan, reliable performance year after year. A smart patio door choice for Redmond homes. Choosing low-maintenance patio door materials is essential for Redmond homeowners facing moisture and cold conditions. Vinyl, Fiberglass, aluminum-clad, and composite doors offer durability, energy efficiency, and long-term reliability without constant upkeep. For homeowners seeking a patio door that performs beautifully while standing up to Redmond's climate, investing in the right materials, paired with professional installation, delivers comfort, confidence, and lasting value.